Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTGM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster day for this one. We were talking about it in our chat room, before the market opened up, and I'd be lying if I said we thought it would go as high as it did that quickly, but I know some people made some money on it. So let's get some levels of support mapped out. Then we'll talk about some areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? If the price can stay up above $3.50, that would accomplish that. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, staying above it is certainly going to make the chart look the healthiest going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize that line's way down there and the price is up there, but keyword here being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upward. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price over time has to also increase. And that by definition is what a bullish move is, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So point here being big picture perspective and a very simplistic way to look at the chart. As long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control. Now, what about areas of resistance? I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance, and I'll explain that here in just a second. But the key level of overall resistance, I'm going to call right up there at $4.75. I realize the price went slightly above it, but a couple times didn't quite hit it. So I'm just trying to kind of find a common ground up there. So $4.75 key overall area. I'm just talking about one because in my opinion at this point, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through a healthy consolidation, building a higher base, because as long as the chart is putting in those higher lows, then long term, the chart will continue to take care of itself. So all in all, very nice day. We'll see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to try to find, or that I use to find stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.